6 a.m. Couple hour drive to the border. We've got a beautiful sunrise coming up. We've also got the moon up there. Yesterday the moon was rising over the water and it was pretty awesome. It was a big red moon for about the first hour of it coming up. So a great spot I picked by the beach here to camp. So just gonna enjoy the sunrise, the road, and get to the border, and hopefully won't have too long a wait.
Two hours later.
So I'm just under 5K from the border, and this is what it looks like. Probably like this all the way to the border. So it's 8 o'clock. Let's see how long it actually takes to get to the border. I followed the GPS and somehow it took me right near the front, and then the cops kicked me out and said I had to go around to the back, and so I was following the GPS again and it took me about halfway down the line. So I have no idea where I'm going. I think I'm in the line to the border. I don't know if I'm going to get in trouble or not. People are honking. Cops were yelling, so I don't know what's going on. This place is a zoo and not very well organized. Well, not too bad. Made it through that line in about 20 minutes after getting turned around by the cops at the front of the line. So now we'll see if I make it through. Got about 5 cars.
I gotta go. Morning.
Morning.
Is that the one that bringing anything from Mexico?
No. Thank you.
Yeah, we had just sat down, dog. Or that boy just sat down. Sorry,
That's it. Super easy. Get through really quick. So not even 9 yet. Next stop is the self-storage to get my stuff. Alright, I've just entered the Kofa National Wildlife Refuge in southwestern Arizona, where you are allowed to hunt. So I'm not sure who the refuge is for. But there's a hike here that Castle Dome, maybe that's it up ahead, that I'm going to plan on doing tomorrow. And I should hopefully have more success than I did on the hike in Mexico. About 20K to the start of the trail, I'll scoop it out and see where I can set up camp. Also, no stopping for the next 5 miles because the US Army blows stuff up here. So it was 20 kilometers from the main road to about the start of the trail, but about 10 kilometers up the dirt road. There was a gate with a little museum, and apparently that road continuing on is private property. So they said you have to take this bypass, which is slow and not that well suited for the weight with the camper on it. A lot of it's flat like this, but there are some serious dips where I'm scraping the underneath. Like this. Against all odds, I made it to the start of the trail, so I can camp here for tonight. Nice spot right at the beginning of the trail, but unfortunately tomorrow I'm gonna have to smash and bang my way out of here. I destroyed the bar pretty much, bent it right up the lower ground clearance, and about 10K of that road was pretty much quad only road. Oh well, I'm here now and I'll worry about it tomorrow afternoon. Anyways, time for dinner guys, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.